This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and removing barriers to reset. Back up your files, disable BitLocker so the reset won't stop, and make sure you have an admin account. Once done, create a Windows installation USB if the machine won't boot. This gives you access to recovery environment. Then disconnect non-essential peripherals and plug in power. Now boot into Advanced Startup or Boot from USB, and choose Troubleshoot to begin the repair and reset sequence. You'll now run the core repairs that fix most reset failures. In Advanced Options, select Startup Repair, then open Command Prompt to run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These repair corrupt system files. Next, run chkdskc/f/r to clear disk errors that block reset. When file checks complete, choose Reset this PC and pick Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Make sure to follow prompts and wait. Interrupting can leave the system unbootable. You finish by reinstalling drivers and running Windows Update so stability returns, then restore your backed up data. If Reset this PC still fails, perform a clean install from the USB. Choose Custom Install and format the system partition to remove corrupt remnants. Make sure to re-enable BitLocker after verifying everything. If anything goes wrong, note any error codes and test RAM and SSD health with vendor tools. Those hardware issues often mimic reset failures and point you to the real.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.